Michelle will now deliberately demonstrate some possible mistakes that you may make. So you can see here she's brought her foot too far across, so there's no space between the feet. When I say space, not lengthwise, but widthwise. So there must be enough space for her hips to move. Now she's tending to look at her feet and lean into it. Keep upright. Don't look at your feet. The head is heavy. It will pull you forward and put you off balance all the time. Now, the step is a little bit too wide and closer to the back foot. So they're almost opposite each other. Can bring the foot in it very slightly. Okay. And again, leaning to the side. Remember, we want to suspend from the top of the head. Okay. Michelle is now trying to demonstrate the Monty Python Ministry of Funny Walks. Too much movement of the foot. Once you place your foot, don't move it around. Again, moving on top instead of sinking in. Leaning backwards, common. Turning the hip to the wrong side so that the weight moves to the center of the body instead of keeping it just in the one leg. You can't see it, but she's moving her knee to the side. You can see she's moving her knee outwards, which means that the inside of the foot will come off the ground. So we want to try and keep the knee in, so when you turn the waist, the knee is still. So you must release the tendons in the hips, and then the inside of the foot, the whole foot, will be on the ground. Okay, good.